Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in the last video I told you that whenever we create a variable, a local variable in a function, that gets initialized and gets destroyed after the function execution is completed. But this is not the case with global variables. So we can define a global variable just by writing a variable outside the function, or if I want to define a global variable within a function, I can do it also with the help of global keyword or global statement. So as you can see, let us consider one situation where we have declared a variable in global scope and we want to change the value of the variable in a function. Then we have to use the global statement in the function. So here, as you can see, I have declared a variable called name in global scope, that is right inside the script without any functions. So this is by default a variable that is defined in a global scope, so it is a global variable. So now what I want is, I want to change this variable. So if I want to change this variable, change the value of the variable, sorry, we want to change the value of the variable, not the variable actually. So what we will do is, we will give global before the variable name, and then we have to declare the new value of the variable. Then the original value of the variable will get replaced by this new value, and of course we have to call the function in order to execute this task. So here, as I have created these global variable and assigned it to my name Shubham, and then I changed the name to John, and then I called this function and then I printed the name. The name that will be printed on the screen will be John, not Shubham, because we have changed the global variable. So this is how we can change a global variable using the global statement. So next we can see how we can define a global variable inside a function that can be accessed by other functions also. So now we will see how we can define global variable inside a function that can be accessed by other functions, and you can then change that variable also with the global keyword or statement, global statement, not keyword. So here I haven't declared any variable in the global scope. I directly declared a global variable inside function 1 or func1. So in func2 I want to display name. So what it will do is, it cannot found, it is actually not able to find any local variable inside this func2. So it will try to fetch the global variable from func1. So this is actually happened, and in func3 I have changed the global variable that we assigned in func1 to another value by using the global statement. So if we now call these functions in this way, like we call function 1, then we call function 2, then the output that we will get is, function 2 will use the global variable that is declared in function 1, that is Shubham, that has the value Shubham. So it will print as my name here, but after function 3 is called, the value of the global variable is changed to John. So now it will print the value John, not Shubham. So in this way we can change one function's value with other function using this global statement. So let's see the example, practical example using the code. So here, as you can see, I have declared the global variable directly inside the Python script, and I want to change the value of the global variable. So I have declared the global statement and the name of the variable, and then I assigned a new value to the variable. Now after I call this function and I print the name, it will be changed from Shubham to John. So let's run this Python script and see, it printed John, not Shubham. This is how we can change the value of the global variable. Now let me comment this portion. Sorry, let me get some space here. Okay, so this part I am commenting, and I will run the second example as I have shown you in the slides. So here in this example we are assigning a global variable inside a function. So we are printing the variable in func2. So we are reassigning the value of the variable in func3 and changing the value to John. So once we call the func1, the value will be set to Shubham, and func2 will print Shubham, and after func3 is called, the value of the global variable is reassigned to John. So func2 will not print John. So let's run this code and see. See, it is printing John now, but it should also print Shubham. Let me see where it has gone wrong. If I have commented everything or not. Okay, I think I haven't saved the file. See, now it is printing first Shubham, then John, because the value func3 is reassigning the global variable. So that's all, guys. I want to share with you this thing today. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and please stay tuned for the next videos. I will keep posting videos on this Python series, and I will try to complete this as soon as possible, and please share it with your friends. And I will highly recommend who is watching this video for the first time to watch the full series that I have linked in the I button. So you can watch the complete playlist from the I button. This series is targeted towards the beginners who are absolute beginners in Python. Will absolutely get help from this course. So I want everyone to check these videos that are uploaded in this playlist. And that's all, guys. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.